Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to REALME Narzo 80 Lite. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Now tap on wherever you want to in all the other ones. When you finished, select Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of REALME. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. In the last two categories, contacts and files, you need to choose Allow a few more times to access them. When you're done, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. If you decided to transfer any app, OK in white pop-up. And then hit Got it in Here's Some Tip 1 to decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point to your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And hit Receive button. Close or add. And as you can see after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!